So we're going to do the paper towel test with the Pelican. And this works really well. When I was in the laboratory, we used to use paper towels all the time to see whether piping was leaking or not, because you could just see, you know, the paper towel would change color. So that's why I'm going to use this. I'm just going to rip it. We don't need all of this. I'm going to rip it, I don't know, maybe about here. Just about the size of a phone, I guess, approximately. That's probably good enough. Something like that. So now, as you can see, behold, the paper towel is nice and dry. I'm going to insert said paper towel into the Pelican thing. Ta-da! Feel like a musician. Don't watch my hands. Here we go. Now it's sealed. And now we shall do the in the water bucket test. Here we go. Ready? Drum roll, please. I'll put it all the way down. Let's see what happens. Hold it there. How long would you hold it there? I don't know. How long does it take to drink a beer? No, I don't drink beer, so I don't know. Or rum. So, you know, kind of wiggle it around a little bit.
Put it upside down.
Upside down? Well, it is upside down.
No, like
yeah, I did.
that way, yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. All right. So that's probably pretty good. Let's check it out. Now, I'm going to use this one to get rid of the moisture on the outside. Probably might need another one because when I pull this out, it will be completely dry. And if it touches the surface of anything on the outside, it will absorb that water. And we don't want that because we want to have a clean demonstration with control. I think it's pretty good.
Is it dry?
Okay, good enough, I think. All right, so now, drum roll, please. We have no idea how this is going to work because we have never done this live before. This live demonstration for you. Make sure you keep watching because it's very important to see this live demonstration. All right. I don't see any water intrusion. I'm going to remove the paper towel. Other than me touching it right there, because my hands were a little wet, but it's dry. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. So I would say that was a successful test. If we wanted to set up a Gaussian curve, we'd do 100 of these, but we're not going to do that. So I don't have 100 products to test. I just have this one. So that's going to have to do for today. So yeah, I'd be confident throwing my phone in this thing and dropping it in the water, no problem.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.